Dear delegates, guests, guest speakers, and participants. For the last 2 days, we have gathered here together in Montreal, the Cultural Center of Canada, to facilitate the business interaction between China and Canada. As a proud second-generation Chinese Canadian, I cannot express my excitement for the opportunities that await for us in the next decade. First, on behalf of China-Canada Junior Chamber of Commerce, and also as the director for this year's forum, I would like to thank guests and guest speakers for taking your time this weekend to share your insight and expertise with all of us. Next, I would like to thank our sponsors. It is your support that made this event possible. I would also like to express my appreciation for everyone who is here today. It is your attendance that made our effort and enthusiasm worthwhile. Lastly, I would like to extend a big thank you to all my colleagues here today. No words can really express my appreciation for all your hard work for the last 12 months. Thank you, everyone.